Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss two important DAX functions, summarize and summarize column. Both are table level functions, but what is the difference that we will see here. Let's get started. Summarize and summarize column we use for creating a summary table. Here I have uploaded sales order table. Let's see the data. This is order ID, order date, lots of columns are there. Here we will mainly focus on state, sales and category. So here you can see, right, state is there, category is there, and also sales value is there. So what is the requirement? The requirement is like this: we want to create one summary table which will display only state wise total sales. So as this is a table level function, so yeah, I'm going to create one new table. Okay, so here I'm coming and I'm writing a new. So I'm giving the name Summarize of Summary, as this is a keyword, that's why I'm giving Summarize 1. Now writing Summarize function. So what are the arguments of Summarize functions? You can see over here. The first one is table name. So this is my table name. Then we need to provide group by column name. So here we are applying grouping on state, that's why my group by column name will be state, because we want to display state wise total sales. Now we need to write what will be the name of the column in the summary table. So in the name I am mentioning that total sales will be name of the sales column in the summary table. Now I need to pass the expression. What is that expression? Already I have created one measure. That measure will provide the total sales. Otherwise you can directly do that sum of sales column. Okay, so now let me execute this. Now you can see state wise total sales we got in a summary table. Okay, now the requirement is like this: I need to display a state wise total sales where the category is technology. That means only for technology category I want to see the total sales state wise. So that means I need to provide one filter which is category equal to technology. So in that case we have to use summarize column, because summarize functions will not accept filter as its argument, whereas summarize column will accept filter functions as its argument. So let's create another table using summarize column function. So I'm writing here summarize column. Here in the summarize column, first we need to provide the column name on which we want to apply grouping. So here my column will be state, because I want to apply grouping on the state column. Now I have to pass filters. So for that I need to call the filter function. So what are the arguments for filter function? First it will accept table name, then I'll provide filter expression. So what is my filter expression? Where category equal to technology. So let me do that. Only technology I want to display. So my filter function is complete. Now I'll complete the summarize column function. So now similarly I need to mention what will be the name of the sales total sales column in my summary table, that is total sales. Okay, then what I need to do, that why it is repeatedly coming, I don't know. Now I need to mention that total sales measure. Okay, I think everything is fine. See, so this is the difference. Now it is coming state-wise total sales, but only for the category technology. See the difference value, it is 89,000 something, here it is 86,000 something. Okay, that means here we are getting only technology categories total sales. So this is the difference between summarize and summarize column, that summarize column will accept filter functions as its argument, whereas summarize will not accept filter functions as its argument. Both are table level functions, both are used for creating tables, summary tables, right? So the difference will be based on the use case, what is your specific requirement. Thank you all for attending this session. If you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.